So in this video, I'm going to explain to you how to actually delete your Taptap send account, guys. If you want to delete your account, okay, you actually need to contact customer support. So when you're in the app, you want to click on the menu icon on the top left up here. You'll see the menu icon, and then just select help and feedback. And after that, what you want to do is select the phone option and call them to let them know that you want to actually close your account. Okay, and note that they're going to keep certain records to combat money laundering. They're going to ask you for details, and then you have to show them that you want to close your account, and it's actually your account that you want to close. You can also come here on their website and contact support as well, guys. You can contact support and submit a request as well. Click on submit a request, or you can also contact them on Twitter and stuff. But the best option, guys, would be to actually call them and let them know your issue and why you close the account. So it's literally that easy and simple, guys. So if this video helps, guys, make sure you hit that like button, comment down below your thoughts, and as always, guys, subscribe to Ninja Guys.